Hey guys, so welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this type of magazine effect with your wig paper. And without further ado, let's dive in. Let's create a new page. So you have to create a new page. So right here, click on the element and search for paper 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 with O. So you may search paper with O. You can find different kind of paper here. You can see we have different type of paper like a, and I already used one recently, so I'm going to use that one, which is my recent use right here of this one. And if you place it right here, you can see it's already matched with the background right here. But let's assume your background is black. You have to let it match the background of this paper. So to do that, just click on the color right here. When you click on the background color, click on this pencil icon and overlay on the paper. Immediately you will see that it's matched the color of the paper, and you can expand that paper to the full scale of the screen and let it expand to the full scale. You can just hit a little, and after you have done that, you can import the image you want to use. And I've already searched for an image right here. Just click on the image and you can see the image is having a background. Remove the background first and send the image back. You can use the position by clicking on position right here and dragging it downward, and you can see that it's at the back, and you can position it to have a clear face right here. And after that, you can click on the text right here and type in use the heading text. So you use the default heading right here and type in any word you like. So I'll be using wood. After using wood, I'm going to change the font to magazine. So you can search for magazine and click on FB Maga. So yes, let's type in Vogue. I think there's a font for Vogue. That's what I use. Click on Vogue and you can see the font match, and you can drag it to the center right there and add another text, a subtext. Let's add another subtext right here, is subheading, and that subheading you can type in magazine. After you type in magazine, you can change the font to a magazine. So you have a font called magazine, so you can use the magazine. And after that, you can change the letter spacing. Drag the letter spacing right here, and after dragging the letter spacing, you can reduce it. You can reduce it and center it to be at the bottom. After that, we need an extra text at the bottom right here. Click the extra text here and search for a magazine. You search for a magazine, you can see a default magazine template right here. Click it and you can drag it downward right here and change the color to black so that it can be visible. Change the color to black and position it right here, and that is how you create a simple magazine. And let's see the final results. And you can see we have a clean template and the picture looks good. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.